Namaste children, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is from NCERT Class 3, the Rimjim Reader, Chapter 6, Tip Tipawa. So Tip Tipawa generally means it is water dripping sound, but here it's been portrayed as a dangerous animal. So let's go into the video and see who is the dangerous animal. एक था बुढ़िया. So there was a old lady. उसका एक पोता था. So she had a grandson. पोता रोज रात में सोने से पहले दादी से कहानी सुनता. So this grandson daily before going to bed he used to listen to his granny's stories, bedtime stories. दादी रोज उसे तरह तरह की कहानियां सुनाती and even the grandmother used to tell him kinds and kinds of stories. एक दिन मूसलाधार बारिश हुई. So मूसलाधार बारिश means torrential rain, heavy rain. So one day, one night, a torrential rain happened. ऐसी बारिश पहले कभी नहीं हुई थी. So this kind of rain they have never seen in their life. सारा गांव बारिश से परेशान था. So the complete village was worried about this rain. बुढ़िया की झोपड़ी में पानी जगह जगह में टपक रहा था. Tip 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 tip. So tip tip, this is sound of the dripping sound. So jhopdi means the hut. So in the this old lady's hut, this water was dripping in all the places. All the places the water was dripping out. इस बात से बेखबर पोता दादी की गोद में लेटा कहानी सुनने के लिए मचल रहा था. So having no knowledge about what's happening in the house, this grandson was very much eager to hear the story. बुढ़िया खींच कर बोली. So खींच कर means frustratingly. So she got frustrated and she said, अरे बचुआ का कहानी सुनाए. So she said, what story do you want to tell? कि टिपटिपुआ से जान बचे तो तब ना. So she's telling, first let us get out of this टिपटिपावा, then I'll tell you story. पोता उठकर बैठ गया. So this grandson stood up and he sat. उसने पूछा, दादी ये टिपटिपावा कौन है? And he started asking grandma, who's this टिपटिपावा? टिपटिपावा क्या शेर बाघ से भी बड़ा होता है? So is this टिपटिपावा what you are mentioning? Is this टिपटिपावा is more bigger than the lion and the tiger? दादी छत से टपकते हुए पानी की तरफ देखकर बोली, हाँ बचुआ, ना शेरवा के डर ना बगवा के डर, डरता डर टिपटिपावा का डर. So this grandma, she was looking at the terrace where the water was dripping and she was telling the grandson, yes kiddo, I don't scared about the tiger or the lion, but I get very much scared about this टिपटिपावा. संयोग से मुसीबत का मारा एक बाघ बारिश से बचने के लिए झोपड़ी के पीछे बैठा था. संयोग से which means coincidentally. So what has happened? So मुसीबत का मारा, so which means troubling. It means this tiger got troubled by the heavy rain and to save itself it was hiding behind the झोपड़ी hut. बेचारा बाघ बारिश से घबराया हुआ था. So this tiger was completely worried about the torrential rain. बुढ़िया की बात सुनते ही वह और डर गया. So on listening this granny's words, this tiger even more got scared. अब यह टिपटिपावा कौन सी बला है? So and this tiger was thinking, who could be this टिपटिपावा? जरूर यह कोई बड़ा जानवर है. So of course this should be a very wild animal, very dangerous animal. तभी तो बुढ़िया शेर बाघ से ज्यादा टिपटिपावा से डरती है. That is the reason this grandma is very much scared about this टिपटिपावा rather than getting scared about this lion and the tiger. इससे पहले कि बाहर आकर वह मुझ पर हमला करे, मुझे ही यहाँ से भाग जाना चाहिए. So before that this टिपटिपावा come and attack me, I should move away from this place. बाघ ने ऐसा सोचा और झटपट वहां से दुम दबाकर भाग चला. So दुम दबाकर means hiding. It's a मुहावरे शब्द. So listening this, he was thinking and झटपट immediately it ran away from that place. Who? The tiger. उसी गांव में एक धोबी रहता था. So there was a Dhobi, the washerman who washes the clothes na. So he was living in that village. वह भी बारिश से परेशान था. So even this washerman was very much worried about this heavy rain. आज सुबह से उसका गधा गायब था. From today's morning, his donkey was missing. सारा दिन वह बारिश में भीगता रहा और जगह जगह गधे को ढूंढते रहा, लेकिन वह कहीं नहीं मिला. So the complete day he was searching for his missing donkey, and he was completely drenched due to the rain. But this donkey, he couldn't find the donkey anyway. धोबी की पत्नी बोली. So this washerman's wife told, जाकर गांव के पंडित जी से क्यों ना नहीं पूछते. So why can't we go and ask the pandit ji, the scholar? So why can't we go and ask about the whereabouts of the donkey? वे बड़े ज्ञानी है. So he is a very knowledgeable person. आगे पीछे सबके हाल ही उन्हें खबर रहती है. So the future, the past, everything he knows about. So why can't he get an idea from the pandit ji? पत्नी की बात धोबी को जंच गई. So he thought, yes, she was telling right. अपना मोटा लट्टा उठाकर वह पंडित जी के घर की तरफ चल पड़ा. So he took the thick stick with him and he went towards the pandit's house. उसने देखा कि पंडित जी घर में जमा बारिश की पानी उलीच उलीच कर फेंक रहे थे. He saw that the pandit ji was removing the collected water from his house. धोबी ने बेसब्री से पूछा. So बेसब्री means in a worried tone. महाराज, मेरा गधा सुबह से नहीं मिल रहा है. So sir, I couldn't find my donkey from the morning. जरा पोती बांधकर बताइए तो वह कहाँ है. So पोती बांधकर means kind of predicting. So please predict and tell me what would happen to the donkey. सुबह से पानी उलीचते उलीचते पंडित जी थक गए थे. So from the morning he was removing all the water which was collected in his house. So he got tired. धोबी की बात सुनी तो झुंझला पड़े और बोले. So झुंझला means he got annoyed. So when he heard this thing from the धोबी's mouth, he got annoyed and he said, मेरी पोती में तेरे गधा का पता ठिकाना लिखा है क्या, जो आ गया पूछने. So this priest was very much annoyed by the question raised by the washerman and he said, how can I find your donkey in my book? And you have come down to ask me like this? अरे जाकर ढूंढ उसे किसी गडई पोकर में. गडई पोकर में some pit or muddle. So he was telling, go and search for your donkey in some pit or muddle. और पंडित जी लगे फिर पानी उलीचने and he started to remove the water again. धोबी वहां से चल दिया. So this washerman went away from that place. चलते चलते वह एक तालाब के पास पहुंचा. So by walking he reached a pond. तालाब के किनारे ऊंची ऊंची घास उग रही थी. So near the pond there was tall grasses which was grown up. धोबी घास में गधे को ढूंढने लगा. So he started to search for his donkey on those grasses. किस्मत का मारा बेचारा बाघ टिपटिपावा के डर से वही घास में छिपा बैठा था. So किस्मत का मारा which means looking out for its destiny. This innocent tiger, out of the fear of the टिपटिपावा, it was hiding in the grasses. धोबी को लगा कि बाघ ही उसका गधा है. So though this washerman felt that the tiger is his donkey because there was no current, there was no power, electricity. So it was a completely dark. So he was thinking that some animal is there. So he thought that it is his donkey. उसने आप देखा न ताव और लगा बाघ पर मोटा लट्टा बरसने. आप देखा न ताव, which means he didn't think about anything and he started to beat the tiger, the animal, with his thick stick. बेचारा बाघ इस अचानक हमले से एकदम घबरा गया. So in this innocent tiger got very much scared by this sudden attack. बाघ ने मन ही मन सोचा, लगता है यही टिपटिपावा है. So this tiger thought within itself, I think this could be the टिपटिपावा. आखिर इसने मुझे ढूंढ ही लिया एंड फाइनली दिस एनिमल हैव फाउंड मी। अब अपनी जान बचानी है तो यह जो कहे चुपचाप करते जाओ। सो इफ आई वांट टू सर्वाइव देन आई हैव टू कीप माय माउथ साइलेंट एंड हैव टू ओबे द ऑर्डर्स ऑफ दिस टिपटिपावा। आज तूने बहुत परेशान किया। सो दिस वॉशरमैन वाज टेलिंग टुडे यू हैव अनॉयड मी वेरी मच। मार मार कर मैं तेरा कचुम्बर निकाल दूंगा। ऐसे कहकर धोबी ने बाघ का कान पकड़ा एंड उसे खींचता हुआ घर की तरफ चल दिया। So I will beat you and I will remove the slice of your flesh. So telling this, this Dhobi, this washerman, holded the ears of the tiger and he was dragging the tiger and he was going towards his house. बाघ बिना चूर चूपट किए बीगी बिल्ली बना धोबी के पीछे पीछे चल दिया। This tiger, without telling anything, like a scared cat, it was going behind the washerman. घर पहुंचकर धोबी ने बाघ को खूंटे से बांध दिया और सो गया। So after reaching the house, this Dhobi, what he do? He took a thick rope tied with the support of the ground and he just tied it and he went to sleep. सुबह जब गांव वालों ने धोबी के घर के बाहर खूंटे से एक बाघ को बंधे देखा तो उनकी आंखें खुली की खुली रह गई। So morning when the villagers saw the washerman's house, saw in front of the washerman's house that the tiger is being tied with a thick rope, then all of them got very much surprised. So aankhein khuli ki khuli reh gayi means feelings very surprised and shocked. So this is the story. It's been written by Girja Rani Asthana. Hope I've explained you line by line. So do well and read well. Thank you.